What's up, everybody? It's Corey back on the C-Minus channel. Today I'm going to be installing these sequential LED rear view mirrors turn signal lights, plus a demo of them and the LED headlights and taillights I installed a while back on my Mk2 Audi TT. You can see these come pretty well packaged. They come with this pry tool for the mirror and this wrench to get the bolts out. They come pretty well protected too in this foam and this cover so they don't get damaged during shipping. Get this plastic off so you can see them. This is it right here. Looks like they got to pass a quality inspection too. So I got these from MK2 Auto off of eBay, and look pretty good for the price. It was only like 29 bucks. All right, let's get started with the install.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish he knew. That's just like you. I miss you as I need you. I want you.
Passenger sides in, and I left the driver's side so you can see the difference. I don't know if you noticed, but
I think you're really cool.
the LEDs and the sequential LEDs are a lot brighter also.
You break it,
It's kind of dark out. I'm gonna do everything again when it's dark, but one other thing I was worried about was I didn't know if the speed of the mirror LEDs were gonna match the headlights, but you can't, I don't know if you can really see that, but they match exactly. So that's a good thing. Right, I got everything installed. Wait for it to get a little bit darker so you can see everything a lot better. You can see the LEDs and the headlights and the mirrors match exactly. So I'm really liking that. Here are the sequential turn signals and the tails. They're pretty bright too. You turn the lights on so you can see how the LED headlights and tail lights look. Headlights.
Did you get ready in the dark or something?
Yeah, they're a little, headlights are a little bright for the camera, but there you go, you can kind of see. They're like replicas of the Mk3, so you have the Mk3 look. Kind of updates the car, makes it look, everything look updated. I think it gave the car a nice look. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to end it here. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
That's just like you. I miss you as I need you. I want you. I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it.